Welcome again. Today I will be fixing some decals in my car. I have procured these decals from Amazon. Some side decals. These are the decals and I have procured it from Amazon and I will be fitting in my car. So in fact decals give a car a fresh and smart look and it can be fixed by yourself. So let's start the project of fixing decals. First we will start with the side decals. So this is the decal. So let's start. This is for the side decals, for the right side and for the left side, and this one will be the front bonnet area. This is for the front bonnet area. You can place it here, you can place it here, depending how you like to place it. Okay, and I have procured this from Amazon. Now we will start the installation. Before installation you need to clean the area properly so there is no traces of dust or any contaminants. So for this I will be using a shampoo water and clean it properly so there is no trace of dust or anything like that. It should be totally clean and free from any dirt or anything like that. Next I will use some isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol to make the surface ready. Exact location where we will fix it. So the trick is to use some masking tapes in order to fix the position. So for this I will be using some masking tape to hold this sticker decal. ওটা আবার ওদিকটা আলাদা একটা লাগবে, দাঁড়াও। হ্যাঁ তুমি ছেড়ে দাও। Now kindly wet this area with the help of soap, some soapy water, and peel the sticker. Finally, the job is complete, and around 2 hours of hard work, and I have removed all the water bubbles. No bubbles is there, and you can see it's giving a good shine. And I have added also to some front small decals matching with the side decals, so it's giving a very good look. And finally the job is complete. So thank you very much. Hope you like the video, and I will give you the links from where you can purchase this decal. I have purchased it from Amazon, and I will give you the links so that you can also purchase from Amazon. So thank you very much, and those who have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.